have, yes, that smells so good. I love it. That's my favorite thing in this whole box. Hey guys, it's Jen of Ultrace. Today we're doing another unboxing video for Boxyluxe for September 2019. So this is a $50 subscription box. It is only every 3 months. The normal one is $21 a month. However, I just got the email today that starting in November, it is going up to $25 a month. And also they're gonna be putting in a lot better things and items, so the value will be more. But anyways, we're gonna get right into this box. Just want to show you that it is completely sealed. I have not even looked in here. Do you know how hard that was? I've had this box for like a week. I have not been able to do it due to other things, but here we are. Let's get into it. I have my handy dandy scissors. We're gonna open the box or not, because they're really cheap little kitty scissors and they don't want to cut anything.
2 hours later.
Okay, we're good. Oh, and if you are interested in getting your own subscription Boxycharm, oh shit, okay, it's there. Links below in the comment section, in the description, the links below. All right, so right on top we have, this is the Boxycharm All Access, I guess is the theme. And we have all of our items listed on the back along with retail prices and a little information about them, but we're not gonna go into that just yet because I don't wanna have any spoilers. So, opening this up, this is what I see. There's a lot of bubble wrap in here for some reason. So is there breakables? That's weird. Okay, so right on top, this is really heavy. All right, so we have Tidal. This is by Sunday Riley, which is amazing. Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. What the hell is a water cream? Lightweight oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing dewy skin. Okay, apply to clean skin twice a day. All right, so we have this. So yeah, I guess moisturizers are good because we are heading into the fall season and my skin does tend to get pretty dry. Okay, that smells weird. What does it smell like? It smells like a cantaloupe. That's really weird. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that going on my face. It's not the best smelling stuff for my preference. That's kind of weird smelling, but this is what it looks like. Let's see our little sheet here. Sunday Riley is just brightening, and oh, there's hyaluronic acid in this, so it's supposed to make your skin look more youthful and plumped. And it retails for $65. These are all full-size items in this box, so $65 for this. For that stinky stuff. Ew, no, it smells like a pumpkin. It smells like a pumpkin when you're carving it out. That's what it smells like. Hey, look, more bubble wrap. All right, there is a lot of stuff in here. Okay. I'm seeing a little bit of color. Please give me some color. This is obviously an eyeshadow palette. This is Violet Voss Essentials. I'm seeing some color here. I really hope we're gonna get some kind of color in this because, yes! I'm so tired of the neutrals that they've been giving us. This is gorgeous. Do you guys wanna see? Okay, is the suspense killing you? Look at that. Those are so pretty. Okay, I might have to try that. All right, so this retails for $29. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do some swatches. Let's go with the emerald because that seems to be calling my name. And let's go with, all the shimmer ones are just really beautiful. So I have the pink and the purple as well. We're gonna do those right there. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. All right, one more. I'm gonna do the terracotta right there. That's at the top. Wow. Those colors are beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I cannot wait to try that. Alrighty, that's a good start to this box. Alright, look at this. Do you see all that stuff? You just get to the point. Okay, we have Stila. This is Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Rouge. No. Oh, it's French. This is in the color Angelo. That's good, because I really don't want another red lipstick. I swear to you, the last couple of months, that's all I've been getting is red lipsticks. All right, this is like a nude kind of color. Very pretty. And let's see, this is a Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and it retails for $22. So I'm gonna put this on, see what it looks like, even though I already have lip. Ooh, it smells like cake. That's cake batter. All right, so not the most flattering color. I feel like I look sickly. It's okay. I'll wear it, but I think I'll probably mix it with a little bit of a darker color just to have some kind of color in my face, because that's just not good. All right, so next we have Hank and Henry. I did get a liquid lipstick from them a few months ago, and it's really, their quality is excellent. But this is called Blickety Black, and it's a long wear liquid eyeliner. I'm assuming it is a felt tip eyeliner. I'm not gonna open it because I do have some already open. I don't want that one to dry out or expire or whatever before expire. Yeah. Okay, so this retails for $20. It's a satin matte finish, long wearing, and yeah, cool. All right, next we have, wow, oh my gosh. Oh, it smells good. Okay, this is a highlighting blush bronzing palette by Too Faced, and it's called Natural Face. This is like legit heavy duty freaking shit right here. So this retails for $44. Let's see what it looks like. I get the golden ticket.
I got a golden ticket.
Okay, I had to. Their packaging is phenomenal. Okay. Wow, that is some fancy shit. Face it, you're a natural. Oh look, it tells you how to use it. Little pamphlet. This is the actual case. Wow, that's beautiful. Look how pretty. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look, it's called Tropic Like It's Hot. That's great. It kind of smells like cinnamon. I don't know, that's kind of strange. All right, well, let's do, again, some swatches. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna go with Satin Sheets, and we're gonna try this as a highlighter. All right. Wow, you can see that shimmer. Definitely good. All right. Hold please. All right, so we're gonna actually try this. I went and got my brushes so we could try some stuff. I'm gonna try the bronzer, or I don't know. Let's use Sunny Honey. And this is a matte. Put it there. And there. You gotta get the jawline. Okay. Very nice. Let's go with the blush. I'm gonna go with Pink Sand, which is a little bit darker of a color.
Very pigmented.
Wow. Okay. All right, well this, that is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. Very nice, very fancy. All right, we have 3 more things. There's only, hold on. 1, yeah, okay. All right, so we have Dr. Brandt. This is a Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So it deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So this is pretty cool. I guess you put it on your skin. Oh, apply it to clean skin before bedtime. Use it every night. Do not rinse. So this is what it looks like. It is kind of a little box to be full size. It says it's 1.7 ounces. And Dr. Brandt is another amazing brand. And this retails for $52. Oh crap, that hurt. I just dropped it on my foot. All right. Here we are. Let's check. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. I want to see. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That's nice. All right, it's like a thick cream, so it's basically like a moisturizer, but you put it on at night. It smells like lavender. It's some kind of floral essence, like roses. It smells like roses and lavender. That smells so nice to put on your face before bedtime. That's like relaxing, nice smell to smell, a scent to smell before bed. All right, the next thing we have, yes, this is a hair balm, yes. Okay, so this is IGKNYCMIALA. You see all that crap up there? All right, oh my gosh, this is called Mistress. It is a hydrating hair balm. Oh my goodness, with coconut oil. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. You apply it to damp or dry hair, and then you can it'll just dry like normal. Oh my gosh, I love stuff like this. I have this thing, if you wanna know why my hair is so shiny and healthy after bleaching it as much as I do, it's because products like this. Every single time when I get out of the shower, I always put some kind of conditioning product or the satin silk cream stuff in my hair to make it like nice. Let's see if this is, okay. Oh, that's the other thing. This stuff smells so amazing that you just walk around and just like, it smells so good. Okay. All right, so this definitely smells like a coconut oil. It smells like coconut oil, like coconut. It's not, ooh, it smells like a salon. It smells like a salon. And then you just walk around like you just left the salon. Ooh, that smells so good. I love it. That's my favorite thing in this whole box. That's so nice. Oh, that's so nice. I love it. It also kind of helps with frizzies, you know, so you don't have anything sticking up. That is so nice. I freaking love it. Oh, I didn't even tell you. Okay. That retails for $29. Okay. Last, we have the Moda. It's an 8-piece Pro Glam set. So let's see what this looks like. Look at this. So it comes, I think, yeah, so some of these have the big things on it, but they are individually packaged as well. This is nice. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I have so many brushes. I definitely want this one. This is like a little angled brow brush. You can see that. I am definitely keeping that, but I think it's cool that they are individually wrapped like this so that I can like put it in a giveaway or like give one of these to someone or whatever, something like that. Speaking of, I will be having my giveaway. I will be doing it, I promise you. I literally have everything separated, ready to go. This giveaway is happening. It's happening. So let's go over everything. We'll do a recap and then we will go over the full retail price total of this entire box. Let's see if it was worth the $49.99 that I paid for it. Or that my husband paid for it, because he's super awesome. Okay. And if I didn't tell you, the Moda brush set does retail for $70, $69.99, $70 freaking dollars. Okay. So again, we have, I'm just gonna stick this in here for now. We have the Moda brush set. We have the hair balm, which is amazing. It smells so good. My favorite freaking thing in this whole, okay, sorry. The eyeshadow palette's up there too, so I'll go with that's number 2. All right. Sorry, I'm a little excited right now. All right, so we have the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful. We finally got some color in our life. Thank you to Boxycharm. All right, and then we have the Too Faced Natural Face palette, bronzer, blush, and highlighter palette. We're gonna set that right there, maybe. Okay, no, okay, shit, okay. We have the Stila liquid lipstick in the color Angelo. We're gonna put that over here. I have the liquid eyeliner, felt tip eyeliner from Hank and Henry. Gonna put that right there. And we have the weird, oh no, we have this too. Dr. Brandt Hydro Bionic Sleeping Mask. And then the pumpkin weird fruity smelling weird cream from Sunday Riley. And then the Too Faced palette, if I can get it. Okay, there it is. Woo! Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in this box. We have 8 items. I did do the math, so the retail price of all of these items is $330. What? $330, and all I paid was the $49.99, or I think it's like $52 in reality after taxes, but still. Holy crap, totally effing worth it. This in itself, like everything. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, so I hope you guys are as excited about this box as I am. Stay tuned, I do have more unboxings for this month coming up. I have my Ipsy, I have my Allure, and something else planned. Oh, and I have not colored my hair because I am doing rainbow, which is going to require a shit ton of colors, which is going to cost me over $100, so give me another week or two, a week or so. I'm going to get that ordered as soon as possible, and I will be coloring my hair also. So, I hope you guys stay tuned. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. If you're not already, also subscribe for more awesome videos. Check the link below for the Boxycharm referral link, because you're awesome. Thank you for that. Yay! Along with all my other referral links are in the description box below. Leave a comment if you like my box, if you got the same stuff I did, or what variations you got, and what you thought about it. So, alright, I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye.